What if the key to better sleep, stronger bones, a sharper brain, and even a healthier heart was hiding in your kitchen right now? You've heard of calcium and iron, those headline-grabbing minerals that everyone seems to talk about. But what about magnesium? That's the silent powerhouse working tirelessly behind the scenes, quietly supporting so many vital processes in your body. And here's the surprising truth. Most people aren't getting nearly enough of it. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the human body. That's not a typo, 300. Yet, up to 70% of people are unknowingly deficient. This remarkable mineral doesn't just support your health, it drives it, playing a critical role in everything from how your nerves fire and your muscles contract to how you handle stress and recover from daily wear and tear. And here's the twist. Even if you think you're eating well, your diet and your lifestyle might be sabotaging your magnesium levels without you even realizing it. Let's dig deeper into the essential health benefits of magnesium-rich foods and what really happens when you get just enough of this game-changing mineral. First, let's talk about your heart. Magnesium is a guardian of cardiovascular health. It helps keep your heartbeat steady and regular, regulates blood pressure, and prevents the buildup of calcium in your arteries, a process that can lead to dangerous blockages. Getting enough magnesium can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease, heart attacks, and stroke. It's one of the unsung heroes of a healthy cardiovascular system. But the benefits don't stop there. Magnesium is also a key player in your brain's health. It aids neurotransmitter activity and brain plasticity, which are essential for memory, focus, and mood stability. Low magnesium levels have been closely linked to anxiety, irritability, and even depression. When your brain doesn't have enough magnesium, it's like trying to run a high-performance engine on low-quality fuel. You might experience more stress, difficulty concentrating, or lingering brain fog. Now, let's turn to sleep, something so many of us struggle with. Magnesium activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and digest mode. It also helps regulate melatonin, the hormone that controls your sleep-wake cycle. The result? You fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling more refreshed, naturally and without any pills or potions. You've probably heard that calcium is important for strong bones, but here's a little-known fact. Without magnesium, your body can't properly absorb calcium. Magnesium is crucial for bone density and protects against osteoporosis, especially as you age. In other words, if you want to keep your bones strong and resilient, magnesium is just as important as calcium, if not more so. Whether you're an athlete pushing your limits or someone who just wants to avoid those painful nighttime leg cramps, magnesium is vital for muscle health. It plays a key role in muscle contraction and relaxation, helping to reduce soreness and speed up recovery after exercise. If you're low on magnesium, you might find yourself dealing with more cramps, spasms, or muscle fatigue than you'd like. Magnesium is also a powerful regulator of blood sugar. It improves insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, reducing the risk of insulin resistance, a key factor in the development of type 2 diabetes. If you're looking to stabilize your energy levels and keep your blood sugar in check, magnesium-rich foods should be on your plate. And that's not all. Magnesium helps fight inflammation, which is at the root of so many chronic conditions, from autoimmune diseases to obesity and even accelerated aging. By reducing chronic inflammation, magnesium supports your immune system, helps your body heal, and keeps you feeling your best. So where can you find this essential mineral? Some of the top magnesium-rich foods include spinach, pumpkin seeds, almonds, avocados, black beans, dark chocolate, whole grains, and bananas. These aren't exotic superfoods, they're everyday staples you can find in any grocery store. Each one packs a powerful magnesium punch, helping you meet your daily needs. According to nutritionist Dr. Jenna Alvarez, magnesium deficiency is known as the invisible epidemic. She says, you don't see it, but you feel it. Fatigue, migraines, anxiety, even high blood pressure can all be early signs. It's a silent problem with real, tangible effects on your health and well-being. Functional medicine expert Dr. Ethan Moore adds, magnesium-rich foods aren't just nutrients, they're biological tools that regulate how your body heals, rests, and performs. When levels are optimized, everything changes. Imagine a body that recovers faster, thinks clearer, sleeps deeper, and moves better, all because you've given it the magnesium it needs to thrive. But here's what most people don't realize. Even if you're eating a balanced diet, things like caffeine, alcohol, chronic stress, and certain medications can drain your magnesium levels daily. So, is your body actually absorbing what you eat, or are you unknowingly stuck in a magnesium depletion cycle? It's easy to assume that eating a healthy diet is enough, but the reality is that modern lifestyles can rob us of this essential mineral. Highly processed foods, soil depletion, and everyday stresses all contribute to lower magnesium intake and higher needs. And if you regularly consume coffee, alcohol, or certain prescription drugs, your body's magnesium stores may be taking an even bigger hit. The good news? The solution is simple and delicious. By adding more magnesium-rich foods to your daily routine and being mindful of the factors that deplete magnesium, you can unlock a whole new level of health and vitality. Magnesium isn't optional, it's essential, and its benefits touch nearly every system in your body. From boosting your brain to strengthening your heart and calming your nerves, this quiet mineral could be the most powerful upgrade to your daily health. And the best part? You don't need fancy supplements or expensive treatments. The answer is already on your plate. So, are you ready to take control of your health? Start today by adding more magnesium-rich foods to your meals, paying attention to how you feel, and making small changes that add up over time. Your body and your mind will thank you. If you want more hidden health truths your body's been waiting to hear, don't forget to subscribe. The journey to better health starts with a single step, and sometimes with a single mineral.